Hey Dingdongs! Welcome to another Vlogmas episode. I hope you guys are enjoying this Vlogmas season. We are almost done. It's like the day before Christmas Eve, and here are 10 ways, here are some tips to stay eco-friendly during the holidays. So these tips that I'm gonna be listing are things that you guys can do right now. You don't really need to go to the store. You should probably have most of these items or tips around your home. If not, they're very affordable tips that you can start incorporating in your life today. So let's go. All right, guys, so the first eco-friendly holiday tip that you can do right now is you can start using eco-friendly gift wrapping. Change up your gift wrapping game. You can use those brown paper bags that you get from the grocery store, or you can go out and buy those. Those are great. I think they look so cute. They're eco-friendly. They can be recycled. It's like construction paper, or like, you know, a cardboard box, but in a bag. And you can also use newspaper as wrapping paper instead. Or better yet, don't even wrap your gift. Just give it to them in a reusable bag or a Santa sack. Those are really trendy lately. Santa sacks are the way to go. So yeah, switch up your gift presentation and save some trees and your wallets. And another tip for the holiday time is people like Christmas lights, right? So what better way than to switch out your fluorescent light bulbs or whatever the opposite of LED is and get LED Christmas light bulbs. That will save you way more energy and they will last you longer, as well as save energy. Just get yourself some LED light bulbs. Also, another tip that you guys could try doing is try making your own Christmas decorations, like handmade, homemade. Like you can make garlands out of like orange slices and cinnamon sticks instead of going to like Michael's or Joann's and buying those artificial fake garlands made out of plastic that several Chinese factories have manufactured for you. Instead, you can also try making your own ornaments out of like salt dough or paper or wood. That's less impactful on the environment and it saves money as well. Also, one of my favorite things to do for the holidays is incorporate fresh greenery. When you do buy those fake little pine garlands, go to the plant store or whatever store that sells fresh pine gardens. I mean, fresh pine garlands, like the actual real deal. Put that in your door, your house, your mantle. It smells great and it's just gonna bring in like freshness during this time of like dead winter season. So another tip that you guys can do is try experience gifts or gift cards. That is not contributing to waste as much as an actual physical item. Next, you can try recycle your electronics. Like when you want to get the new iPhone, the new iPad, a new computer, laptop, tablet, whatever. Like, I don't know what you guys are doing with your current electronics when you get the new things, but don't just throw them away in the garbage. I really hope you guys aren't doing that. Recycle your old used electronics, re-gift them to somebody, save them just in case yours breaks down, or there are recycling programs that you guys can throw all of your used old electronics to the recycled companies. Google them, search them, they're there. Then another big one is like how you gift. So maybe try doing a homemade gift or do a homemade gift. Make something by hand. Try shopping small, support your local small business. Those are all good ways to stay more on the sustainable side of things when it comes to the holidays and gift giving. And last but not least, just don't buy a gift that someone's not going to use. Like if you're intentionally giving a gift to somebody, really think about like what they like, what they could use, and what they would want. If you know that they're probably not going to use it, then you probably shouldn't buy it, because that just creates more waste for them and you've wasted your time shopping for them when they are not even using the gift. Like just think of all those coffee cups that you have just sitting in your drawer that you got as a gift that you really didn't need, that are collecting dust. Or how about those chemically ass Bath and Body Works soaps and lotions and candles? Like, do you guys know how toxic those things are? I really hope that you guys stop shopping at Bath and Body Works, because like there's better products out there on the market. You guys don't even know like what is in those things. And sometimes those scents don't even smell good. So if you're giving that to somebody and they don't like it, then what? Then what? Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed these tips on how to become eco-friendly for the holidays. If you guys have any other suggestions, I'd love to hear them down in the comments below. And until next time, bye Dingdongs!